What's up, you guys? It's your girl CC. I know that you guys are like, girl, we just seen you at Thanksgiving and you ain't tell us nothing about nothing. But I know. And we are harvest hosting kind of without the RV. So we found this winery on Harvest Host. It's called Hinnant. What is that? Hinnant Vineyards. Hinnant Vineyards in Pine Cove, North Carolina. I'm looking down trying to see the navigation system, but it's not on there. In Pine Cove, North Carolina, and we are about to go see what they have to offer. It's my first time ever at a winery, so I'm super excited. I got Babe with me.
What's up?
And his new eyes, so excuse his goggles if you guys want to know more about that story. I think he filmed a whole vlog for his channel, which is Hanging with the Chapmans, so I'll link it in the description box below. But yeah, it seems to be a cute little winery, so let's go give it a go. All right, you guys, so we signed up for a deluxe tasting and now we're in the gift shop just looking around, so I'm gonna show you guys what they have. So you guys, we're waiting for our tasting. We did the, what did we do, the deluxe tasting? Yeah. We did the 2 deluxe tastings, and I think the total was almost $30, a little under $30. Which isn't bad. Which we hope isn't bad. We don't know because we've never done this before, but the outside entertainment was really nice. I think Babe might have recorded a little bit of that. Did you get any of the outside? Maybe 5 seconds. The outside entertainment was really nice. We didn't want to get copyrighted, so we didn't keep recording, but so far so good. We're having a good time. It's a really like laid back environment. There's people on the front porch eating cheese and drinking wine, and I'm sure that we will partake once we are done with our tasting. So yeah, see you at the tasting.
The tasting sheet, pencil to make notes with, and those little crackers if you need to cleanse your palate, they're available. I'm Lindsay. I'll be doing your tasting today. Has anyone been here before? I guess not. You said it's your first time. Okay. Well, welcome. We are going to try everything that's on that list in front of you. So we're going to start at the top and work our way to the bottom. If there's anything you do not like and cannot finish, I do have a bucket that I can dump it out for you. And we'll start drier, work our way to sweeter. I'll give you facts about each wine as we go, and I'll tell you a little bit about the vineyard and the winery and stuff as we go. The largest muscadine vineyard in North Carolina. So we grow part of our vineyard for winemaking, and then we also do produce and have a you pick season where people can come out and get their own fruit from the vines. Oh, that is at the end of August through mid-October-ish. Just depends on the fruit each year. But that's a good time. That's the best time to come out. The vines are absolutely beautiful. You pick fresh grapes.
Yes.
That'll be a good time. Yeah. That'll be a good time to harvest host.
All right, so we will move into the. All right, so we're going to try the Snowed In, which is our newest release, and this is a holiday cranberry wine. So this is a white muscat base, so it's a dry white base with cranberry. The cranberry flavor is pretty strong. It is going to give you that tart aftertaste. So, but if you love cranberry, you love tart, you're going to love this one. This is also delicious, made into a like cider. With the wine, some juice, brown sugar, mulling spices. Makes a nice hot drink if you're looking for something for Christmas. And I'll get y'all a sample of that after I pour the strawberry. It is hot. But this is the cranberry wine made into a cider. Oh, so that's the Snowed In? And we add apple juice, brown sugar, and mulling spices that have cinnamon and whatever else they have in there. Kind of spicy. Is that the little packet we can get? Yeah.
This is delicious.
We do sell this by the glass up front, and there's also a chalkboard that has the ingredients and like the recipe posted, so you can take a picture of it.
Okay,
if you want
perfect.
to get the exact recipe.
Christmas.
Yes.
That is
Sitting outside by the fire.
Yeah.
Yes.
That's way better than the wine by itself.
Yes.
Now this, yeah. This is a go. If for nothing else,
So this is
this is snowed in
the cider.
cider.
Well, I don't know if you use Facebook and everything like that, but we do have a Facebook page that we post any kind of special event we're having.
Okay.
When we have live music, food trucks, we post those things.
Okay.
So that you'll know to come on out.
Perfect. I'm
Definitely.
so excited.
There you go. I hope y'all enjoyed that.
Yes, we
you.
did.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I'm gonna get my list so I can go pick my picks. You wanna get a glass of cider because they don't cost so far, so we could do some cheese and crackers.
Is that what you want to
Yep,
do?
y'all do
Okay.
still have some time. I don't even know what time it is. My watch is on dead hours ago. Yeah, y'all do still have time to do that.
Okay, perfect.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, you guys. So our tasting is over, and we have a little bit of time before the winery closes. But what we ended up buying 6 bottles. We did get 2 bottles of the Carlos, and I think it was buy 6 bottles and get 10% off. And then we got a dry rose. So ultimately, we got 7 bottles because the dry rose was on sale. And I did like that one. The dry rosé was on sale, and I did like that one. So we got a bottle of that. And now we're just chilling out on the patio, taking in the scenery and the views. And we just had to have a cup of the, what is it, Snowden cider. It's delicious. So I'm going to tell you guys, I'm going to add a picture of the recipe here. If you guys ever have a chance, check out Hinnant Farms. Make sure you get the snowed in wine, if for nothing else but the cider. It's amazing. So me and Babe are about to just enjoy some wine and cheese and each other's company, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace. Happy holidays, you guys.